Hello fellow traders and welcome. It's been a while since I made a video, so welcome to another tutorial. Today I'm going to demonstrate to you the power of lesson 15. Now what is lesson 15? Lesson 15 is combining Weis Wave with speed index with anchored VWAP. So for you guys not being aware of lesson 15 and its power, I will leave a link below for a video that explains exactly how it works. So what I'm going to demonstrate today is show you on live charts some very nice trades with very simple setups using lesson 15 methodology. Several trades, so I will start with AJ, Australian dollar, Japanese yen, and this is the story. Okay, we're coming down, we are hitting support once, twice, three times. That's why I have the support. Let me zoom in. And lesson 15 says, okay, we have already set up the Weis Wave. Lesson 15 says when you are coming down with a fast wave, okay, which is in this situation, and this is basically a Wyckoff spring, but we don't know that until it happens. There is the following methodology to enter, which confirms the Wyckoff spring. So what we'll do is we have marked the fast wave. How do we know it's a fast wave? Well, speed index is telling us it's a fast wave, all right, with this 4.3. Okay, once we are aware of that, okay, we need to anchor the VWAP right on this wave, okay, or even this one, which is faster. So this is what I'll do. I will create a VWAP, all right, and I will anchor it right the beginning of the fast wave. Now look what happens, okay? After this fast wave, we have this nice up move. So what we are when going to do is wait, first of all, the price to cross the AVWAP line, which is the blue line, and the two dash lines, okay, to cross the AVWAP up. So as long as the price is up, it means we are in a bullish direction. So after that, we're waiting for the pullback, and in order to enter long, we're just waiting for a Bluetooth signal coming from the Weis Wave with speed index. And this is the Bluetooth signal, all right, right here. This Bluetooth PRL, it says, okay, Bluetooth reversal long, it means, okay. Let me zoom in so you can see better. Okay, so this is our signal right here. Okay, so this is our entry. Now, look what happened. Let me delete this because this was a previous measurement that I took. Okay, so basically, let me zoom out and measure the pips we did on this situation, which is lesson 15. So there we go. From here, entry all the way up to here, it's 172 pips. That's a alert from the AVWAP that somewhere we are crossing. Okay, so that was 170 something pips. Now, so situation 1, fast waves. Situation 2, very high volume waves. Let's look at that, okay? These are happening these days as we speak, so it's that line here, it's a separate day. Now, Australian dollar USD, all right? Now we'll do this together. Let me hide this line. Okay, this is a new indicator I'm working. Okay, Australian, not USD, CAD, sorry, Australian CAD. This is a trade I took today. Okay, so strategy number 2 says identify high volume waves. Okay, and in the specific case, I'm identifying this high volume down wave. Remember, on high down volume waves, buyers might come in. All right, and so how do we know that? How do we confirm that buyers did came in? All right, as you can see, we got two large down waves. So according to lesson 15, we need to anchor at the beginning of this wave the AVWAP, which is anchored here. I'm moving it so you see it. All right, okay, wait for the price to break upwards, and it did break here. All right, then wait for the pullback and a Bluetooth long signal, and the signal just came out right here. Okay, so basically my entry was here, and currently I am counting 40 pips. Simple as that. Let's go to, let me show you something here. Why I didn't go enter on this wave, which is a huge wave too. Okay, so let's put the anchor at the beginning of this wave. Okay, now we kept going down. When we crossed upwards, we never got a Bluetooth signal, so I never entered long. I will enter long only if I get the Bluetooth signal. All right, let's go to another example. EJ, that was a lot of pips, and let me start by saying that we were in a downtrend, as you can see, and we reached a support level. Okay, this is a support level coming from the history on the left somewhere. Okay, and here we have again a Wyckoff spring. So this is what I did. Okay, I created my VWAP. All right, and I placed it on the fast down wave. Okay, I can even place it here. All right, so in this case, okay, we break upwards. Okay, the VWAP right here, I would enter right here on this signal, Bluetooth reversal long. Okay, or in this signal. Okay, we went down, then we break up again. All right, so look at the move. Let's assume that we entered either on this point or on this point. It's the same point. Okay, so that's 400 pips, exactly what I said here, but it went a little bit further. So it went up to 416. All right, now I see on my chart another high down volume wave. Now this is a down volume wave, it's not a fast one, it's a high down volume wave at the top, which the top is the fib area. All right, so this is what I'll do. Simple. I will place my AVWAP, in this case, on the wave previous to the down move. Okay, now if you will learn how to do that, just watch lesson 15. All right, and I will go short if I get a Bluetooth short signal. As you can see, we did went up, we broke, we did pull back to the VWAP. VWAP is respected, as you can see so far, but I never had the signal, so I will not go short yet. Okay, unless I get the signal. Let's go to another trade which I took today, and it's Euro Australian dollar, and it's right here. All right, so again we are coming down, so I drew my fib right here, and this is the fib area. All right, so I might find sellers on the fib area, I don't know. And what do I see? I see this huge up volume wave going to the fib, which means that we could have sellers, okay? So what's the story? What do I do? How do I know that there were sellers here? Same story again and again. Very simply, add the VWAP. Where? At the beginning of this wave, all right? So I'm waiting for price to pull back, to pull down and break a VWAP, which it did here, okay? I'm not entering short, it's pulling back and it's pulling back again, and I'm entering short right in the signal, okay? If I want to be a bit more riskier, I could have entered short here because of the abnormal speed index number, okay, which means that price had a hard time to move up. Okay, so right now I am counting, if I were to take this, 47 pips. Okay, this is happening now. Another example happening now. Okay, Euro, New Zealand, same exact story. Resistance level, huge up volume wave, placed my AVWAP at the beginning of the up volume wave, and this is the signal I got. We broke down, we pulled back to AVWAP, and I get a short signal, all right? And this is so far 72 pips and going, okay, as we speak. Now another one. There's so many, it's unbelievable. New Zealand USD. Okay, let me show you what happened here. Okay, we are trending up in this situation. We are pulling back and we are hitting a fib area. Okay, I drew my fib. So this area here is between 50 and 61. And look what happens. Okay, now these situations that I'm showing to you, they're not visible just by looking at the waves, okay? Okay, this is much more clear if you do this. Okay, I just zoom in, and this is a fast wave, okay? Why? This 2.2 F, 2.2 SI, it's a fast SI, all right? Now, I'm placing my AVWAP at the beginning of this fast wave. I'm just moving it so you can see it, okay? And I'm waiting for price to come up, break AVWAP, come down, okay? And then produce a Bluetooth long signal. Otherwise, I will not go long. And then we broke, we overshooted a bit, and the signal was created here, very nicely. So I am marking the signal, and let's say I have entered on this signal, which is right here. We are currently doing 90 pips, okay? That's another Wyckoff spring on a fib location, all right? Let me write it down because this is very important. Okay, this is Wyckoff in simple terms. Okay, this was the Wyckoff spring right here. All right, and in order to make it more visible to you, you can do also this. If you have this as a support level, okay, this is your spring to the fib, and up we go. And this is the confirmation. Last, which I'll show you why I have not entered, okay, even though the waves are big. And it's this one, all right? That's New Zealand Japanese yen. We're coming down. We pulled back to a fib, which also happens to be a resistance level, and we have two fast up waves. Okay, so I place that's the fast waves. Okay, 3 fast up waves actually. All right on the fib. Okay, all these 3 are fast up waves. So I will place my AVWAP right here on the beginning of the fast up wave and do what? Wait it for break, pull back, and then wait for a short signal. It never happened. Okay, so I never entered short. The price kept going back up. So basically, lesson 15 is so simple. Getting the power from Weis Wave Speed Index and a VWAP. Watch lesson 15 to understand exactly, and you're gonna see it every day on your charts, making lots of pips. Thank you for watching. I hope this was helpful. If you like it, just hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more. If you need any more information, you know where to find me, tradethevolumewaves.com. Thanks again.